Welcome to Roost Vans. We're going to be going over this 2022 144 wheelbase 4x4 Sprinter van. And we did a full core build plus a couple of extras. We installed a 10-foot long awning as well as under awning lighting. The awning is fully self-supported, comes out about 8 feet from the van, is 10 feet long. For the longer wheelbase vans, they're about 13 feet. And inside the van, we went ahead and put in an articulating table as well as swivel seats. And that articulating table is mounted to this passenger 3-person seat. Table's great for work, families, full dinners, etc. It's a nice tabletop that works well for all 4 or even 5 passengers. Now in the back, we put in our flip-up kit bed system with mattress, as well as our bunk bed strap-up bed system. Now these bed systems are autonomous. They work great together as a bunk bed, as you can see here. And the lower bed has the flip-up kit for easy access to your garage. And the upper bed is, well, our strap-up bed system. You can take this all the way up to the ceiling, as well as bring it all the way down to the wheel wells if you didn't have your bottom bunk installed. Now right in front of these beds, we went ahead and installed what we call the loo box. Really, it's just a chamber potty. And nice tight sealing lid, super easy to maintain, and you clean it out just like you would a regular kid potty. Has storage underneath as well as some toiletry storage inside. Roost Van's position on toilets is really, how often are you really going to defecate in your van? Pretty rare. So we tend to keep things as simple as possible. Using a chamber pot is one of the ways that we do that. Also, benefit of this product too is that you can take the toilet out of the van easily, put it in the woods if you're parked someplace for a while where you will be defecating frequently. No chemicals, so you can bury the waste and pour it out as needed and then easily rinse it off. Nothing to go wrong. There's no electricity, there's no secondary chemicals and maintenance that you need to add to it, and it's perfect for nighttime peas or first time in the morning peas where you just need to let a load off. Now working around to the back of the van, now we have our flip-up kit in the back as well. In this case we have our power station installed in the back corner for easy access and also safekeeping. We have a solar controller and charger built in. We have an engine charger built in and wired up to the engine. And we also have shore power recharging capability as well. Now on top of the 3 ways that you can charge your power station, you also have household power out as well as DC power out for all your lighting, your vent fan, and other needs in the back of the van. And this is our latest build, Towne, on our 144 wheelbase 4x4 chassis. Visit us at roostvans.com for more info.